Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a sushi burrito. Gather sushi rice, nori, fillings, and a bamboo mat to get started. Rinse and cook the rice, then season with vinegar and sugar while cooling it gently. Prepare fillings like fish, avocado, cucumber, and spicy mayo. Layer rice on nori, add fillings, roll tightly, and slice in half to serve. Practice makes perfect, and you can customize heat and texture to your taste. Start by rinsing sushi rice until the water runs clear to remove excess starch. Use a 1:1 rice to water ratio for slightly firm rice that holds together. Cook rice gently, then transfer to a wide bowl to cool evenly. Fold in a mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt while fanning the rice to give it shine. Keep rice covered with a damp cloth until assembly. This step sets the foundation for flavor and texture. Choose fillings that balance texture and flavor like fresh fish, cooked shrimp, or marinated tofu. Slice ingredients into long, thin strips about 3 to 4 millimeters thick for even rolling. Arrange a thin, even layer of rice on nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top for sealing. Layer fillings near the bottom, add sauces sparingly, and use the mat to roll firmly into a tight burrito. Let it rest briefly to set shape before slicing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.